Hello, friends. There is Zmotion Technology. XPCIE1032H super high-speed EtherCAT motion control card learning continues. Today, let's see how to achieve needed distance motion within set time and planned speed. We call it as PT or PVT motion. They can make the motion smooth. Also, if you want to know these, there are corresponding videos and articles. You can review them for quick start XPCIE1032H card. At first, what is PT motion and PVT motion? Essentially, they are same. Used to move set distance with one certain time. But for PVT, it can specify the end speed for processing complex motion. Generally, they need to match with trigonometric functions. For example, sine, cosine, etc. Otherwise, the normal motion will be very rough. And in this lesson, C# routine uses cosine. Please refer to below C# operating. In a word, these 4 situations you can select according to needs. Let's see details. PT motion, it is a simple algorithm. Move one certain distance in one certain time. These two are main C# commands. You can do relative motion or absolute motion. Because it is easy. Usually applied in low-performance motion systems. For example, the motion that moves small distance or moves slowly. Compare PT, PVT is more high performance. Because it can specify the end speed. The speed can automatically plan through former speed and the end speed. That is, this parameter. Therefore, even though the space between points is large, it still can process that. For PT, it can do that. Also, relative or absolution are supported. Then, this C# program, including these 4 motions at the same time. They will be tested in C# one by one. And the RTSys will be used synchronously to check running situation. For corresponding knowledge, please check Lesson 6. It can be seen that the first step is to connect. Then, set parameters for each mode. Open RTSys oscilloscope tool, preset that, then ready to capture data for viewing. Run C# program, check scope curve. Okay, let's operate it. Start MotionRT 7, which was talked in Lesson 1. Open the C# program. Click Connect to card by local. Then, open RTSys. Also, connect by local. After connected, open scope window. Set horizontal scale and vertical scale. Here, these scope parameters are set. If you want to know more details, please check this lesson article and RTSys manual. Move PT at first. 4 axes speed curves and motion trajectories are shown in scope. Too many curves. We can see axis 0 only. Obviously, now it is clearer. In C#, axis 0 points motion is plus 150. Again, set its vertical scale as 150 for viewing. See, each space 350 milliseconds, it arrived needed position. That is, arrive 150 in 350 milliseconds. Arrive 0 in 700 milliseconds. 1050 milliseconds, 150 again. 1400 milliseconds, 0 again. However, 150 is not the max value. 0 also is not the min value. Because the speed is still fast when at 150. Even though it starts to decelerate, it is forward. When the speed is 0, axis arrives peak position. Then when the speed is negative, axis starts to run inversely. This is because the PT end speed is calculated by its motion period and motion position. For this, you can make it as several small segments. Okay, start scope again. Next one, run PVT motion. See, the max value is 150, the min value is 0. Because you can specify end speed under PVT mode. Let's set the end speed as 10. It is close to 0, Then axis can run reversely quickly. We'll test PT PVT cosine motion. Reset the scope parameters. Start scope, run PT cosine motion. The starting is set as peak value is 0 here. But actually it runs from 0. The curve is like cosine function. It is smooth. Restart, run PVT cosine. See, speed and trajectory are same as PT cosine, except the period and peak value. Because PVT here, amplitude is set as 200. Angular frequency is 0.2. And the PVT end speed is obtained by distance formula. Okay, now, related introduction and operation of PT PVT are shown. You also can check the article from Zmotion website support. Thank you for your watching. If you are interested in XPCIE1032H card or other controllers, please contact us.